Alright guys, welcome back. I know it's been a little while since I last uploaded, about 3 weeks or so, and well, I got some good news and I got some bad news. So we'll start with the bad news because, well, we want to end on the good news, right? So the bad news is I still haven't found a new car yet, and it's quite unfortunate, but what are you gonna do? And the good news is right behind me. Obviously, you guys can't see it. It's a little bit of a surprise, but pull the box out. And we got ourselves a little bit of a cool thing. So basically what I got here is I got a racing steering wheel, a racing shifter, and a racing pedal assembly. This is for playing video games, sim racing, it's a common thing nowadays. And it's pretty cool. So, get right into the box. I'm extremely excited about this because, well, obviously I can't drive a car. I don't have one right now, so I've resorted to this. The equivalent of regular driving in the gaming world is take everything from real life and put it inside of a box and use a computer, and that's about it. It's all the same. The only difference is I will be sitting at my computer now. So, the thing that I'm opening right now is the shifter assembly. So we got it right here. I'll bring it up to the camera so you guys can see. So here we got our 6-speed manual shifter. First, second, if I can put it in second. Third, fourth, fifth, let's not miss shift. We got 6th gear, and then we got all the way over and down. I think that's reverse. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. And then we got a couple of switches just in case we need to add a couple additional things, but those aren't really as used as much. Just the important thing is I have a 6-speed manual shifter with 1 reverse gear. So we will set that over here. Can't really stand it up because it's supposed to attach to like a desk, so you can't really stand it up like this. Well, I mean, you can, but this is my bed. Throw the garbage on the floor and pull out the important part. One big steering wheel. Now, there is one thing that you guys probably noticed about this video that's a little different, and that I don't have my fan going in the background, and I'm not in the garage. So the reason I kept my fan off this time was because it's loud and obnoxious, and every time I have it on, I always have that one person in the comments section that goes, "Your fan's loud and annoying. Can you please turn it off?" And, well, I just decided to keep it off for this video to please the one person in the comments section. And we got the stuff to go along with it, and a couple extra sticky pads, just in case these ones go bad, which is a possibility. And I'll let you guys get a close up of this. So we have a few different programmable buttons here. Now, normally this is made for like a PlayStation, but it's also able to be used with Xbox, PC, and there's like a couple other ones that I'm forgetting, but whatever. And then we have a few other programmable buttons, and stuff on the actual steering wheel. And then we have 2 paddle shifters on the sides, which is actually pretty cool. I didn't even know that. And put that stuff over there. Take out this random box that I use for holding stuff. And I think we got ourselves the pedal assembly here. Now, I'm not entirely sure that you guys can hear me all too well because I was checking like the volume and stuff on my phone earlier, and the audio can get a little wonky and whatnot. Oh, okay. So we just have a couple of attachment thingies. So that's useful, I guess. I mean, I'm just putting it on a desk, so not super important. And we have a, what looks like Chinese, either Chinese or, well, it's in both. It's in Chinese, Japanese, and English. But this is the little manual for the steering wheel and all that. You guys can probably see that. Whole bunch of stuff in there. I might read that later if I feel so inclined. Another piece of cardboard, not useful. Another thingy. Throw that over there. And this is just a little thank you note from the actual company. This basically says thank you for buying our product, which is pretty cool. It's good to know that companies actually care about their customers and aren't just looking for money. Now, I'm sure this company is also just looking for money, but they threw that in there, so I feel a little bit better about that. All the stuff goes back in the box. And pull the pedal assembly out of the box, and like I did with the last two, we got ourselves a clutch pedal, a brake pedal, and a gas. This thing is pretty epic, and I will definitely be using this stuff a lot. Alright. And I think that'll do it for the video. We got our unboxed stuff. You guys probably can't see that. So we got the steering wheel, we got the shifter, and we got the pedals. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good afternoon, or have a good 5:54 in the PMs. And you have a great day.